we are going to be doing a review on the Louis Vuitton Felicie Pochette in the Danvier canvas. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, continue watching this video. I'm Jess, aka Designer Mama, and here on my channel I cover all things lifestyle, designer, and fashion. So if you're new to my channel and you like what you hear, consider hitting that subscribe button. And if you're returning, girl, thank you. Okay, now let's get into this video. So I have the original box that it came in. I have the dust bag, which when I'm not using my bag, as you've seen in my other videos, I do tend to baby my bags and I try to take really good care of them. So when I'm not using it, it's in the dust bag inside of the box. And this is the bag, and I did find the receipt, guys. I purchased this in 2017, which I can't believe it's been that long. It was a birthday gift to myself. So as we review it, just keep that in mind. I'm going to go over how it's held up, okay? This is the bag. Again, this is the Danvier canvas. I really love the Danvier, but I do want to get more of the other canvases that Louis Vuitton has. So on the inside, it's the beautiful bright red. And what I love about this bag is that it comes with two accessories, which is really nice. So let me show you really quickly. And guys, this is technically considered a wallet on chains bag. So it comes with a card slot, so you can fit 8 cards inside. Okay, you can put, it has a slip if you want to put cash in there. So it's like cute, you know, if you don't want to carry a wallet, you can just most certainly put your cards and cash in here and be on the go. I tend to use this more so when I use the bag. It also comes with this as well. It's very beautiful. I don't really use this as much yet. I know I should. Beautiful, right on the inside. And I'll also show you guys in B-roll a close-up of the bag and how it looks on the body as well. So it has the beautiful chain. Now just keep in mind, guys, I am 5'1" and a petite build. So if you are taller than me or around my same height, then you know you'll be able to gauge how it might fit on you or look on you when you wear it. Now the inside, it does have a little slit here. So if you want to put anything in the back side, you can. And then it just has one open space, if you can see that. So you can kind of see. When I buy bags, I do look at them as investment pieces. And when I brought this bag back in 2017, now I did get it in Vegas, so I did, you know, save on the taxes. But in total, I paid $1,076.09. Now, if you look on the website, if I'm not mistaken, I believe it's in the 1,600 range. So this bag has went up in price. So again, if you are looking to buy or purchase, you know, a luxury item, I will always suggest Louis Vuitton, Chanel. Off the top of my head, I'm sure there's other brands, but I do feel like these two brands in particular really do keep their value. If anything, they go up. If you do choose to resell it, you probably could even make a little more than what you paid, even though it's pre-loved. I've had it since 2017 and I do think it's held up pretty well. I do love this bag. I don't wear it all the time, but when I do go out, I do tend to gravitate more towards this bag. Now, as you can see, it kind of lifts up on the side. Now, I don't have any glazing issues on the side of the bag, so that's good. Now, when I'm wearing it, I don't feel like it's too noticeable. If you are holding it up close, you can definitely see it. And again, like I said, this is not a bag that I wear out all the time. So this is only from a few usage. Also, it kind of held up good on the inside. I don't have any marks or anything, as you can see. But also on the side, but it kind of dents in a little bit. I mean, for $1,000, and now this is about, like I said, in the 1600s, I believe. I would expect this to kind of not do that because it is a little pricey. I still really do love this bag. Now, you can wear it over your shoulder. You can wear it crossbody. Also seen other influencers kind of put it in here to kind of make the bag, kind of cross it over on the inside to kind of make it shorter. So you can see, make the chain a little shorter. So you can also wear it over your shoulder if you choose to. Now I do know that there are little accessory pieces that you can probably get off Amazon, where you can kind of take in some of the chain and also probably make this a little shorter if you wanted to. So this bag, I would say, is pretty versatile. Now as far as how many things you can fit in it, you really have to be really smart, especially if you're going to wear this out on a date night. Me, I tend to just take my phone, and I wish I could show you guys, but I'm kind of recording on my phone. Let me try to see if I can pack some stuff in here to kind of show you guys. So I have the iPhone 11. So I have the case here. So this is about how big it would be. So I'm going to put this in here. This is what I usually would take, the little slide in, and I will kind of just take some cash and some cards. I always like to carry a few cards with me and cash. And I will also grab my lip gloss. Let me grab it. So this is pretty simple. Like I said, you can kind of gauge it. And then of course my keys, I would try to fit in here. It does start getting pretty tight. So this isn't a bag that you can probably, I mean, I guess you could kind of try to stuff it. But as you can see, just from like a phone, a slip, and a lip gloss, it does start getting pretty tight in there. As you guys can see, that's what I can fit in there. Now I'm pretty sure I could fit a few more things because I'm guilty of that. I have stuffed it with my keys, and I've stuffed some hand cream in here. So I mean, you could kind of fit some stuff in here, but it does start to look a little bulky. I'm not going to lie to you guys. But if you're just going on a simple date night and you're not an overpacker like me, you can definitely get away with just some lip gloss, keys, your phone, and the slide-in wallet. Final thoughts on this bag. I love this bag, guys. I love Louis Vuitton. There's no glazing issues. It is lifting at the top. That's honestly the only negative that I would say, is that it does start to lift and it comes in on the sides. I do think it's kept in pretty good condition. Now, if I was someone who wears it all the time, every single day, then I might be a little afraid that it might not hold on as long. Like, it probably will start showing a lot more wear and tear a lot sooner. The price value has gone up, and I'm only assuming it's going to keep going up with all of the luxury price increases that's been happening every year. So it is an investment piece. So guys, I will still recommend this bag, even with all the lifting, the indents. I think it's held up pretty well. And again, I've had this since 2017. We are in 2022 now. Sorry guys, I forgot to mention, you could take off the clips, and if you wanted to wear it just like this, you can wear that as well. So again, it's a very versatile piece. There's so many ways you could wear this. I love bags that you could kind of wear in different ways, even though I do tend to wear this bag more so when I'm going out. But I do think that you can still wear this bag if you're dressing down. I do think it can work. I highly recommend this bag. I love it. It's beautiful. I mean, you cannot go wrong with Louis Vuitton, okay? Like, so if you guys have this bag or are thinking about getting this bag, leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. If you had this bag, are you experiencing any of the same issues, any worse issues, or not at all? Or if you even have any tips, guys, on maybe how I could prevent it from getting any further wear and tear, please let me know down in the comments below. Well guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope if you're thinking about buying this bag, you learned something. I try to be as honest as I could, and I'll see you guys in the next video.